Okay, guys, we're in a Mexican place. It sells ice cream and candy. So let me show you what they have. So like they have this. They have some of these. They also have this. Yeah, they also have these. They also have these ice cream. They have this same screen. They also have these kind of ice cream sticks. It's all look good. What's this? They got drinks. They got candy. They got burnt marshmallows. They got whatever this is. They got Nutella sticks. We got this. We got this, whatever this. Oh, got this candy. Got sour candy. We got. Okay, guys. We also have this yummy thing. We're gonna try it out and rate it a 1 to 10. Let's try it. Hope it tastes good.
Skyler, what kind of flavor do you want?
No, I ordered 18. I ordered 18. I ordered 18.
It's right here, Shayla. Choose one.
8 out of 10. It's really good. You guys have to go to this Mexican store. You click this. It doesn't even take that long. It's yummy. Good. After doing that, also got more things. We have these. We also got a Ouija. We also have we got this candy egg. We got these Skittles. These whatever those M&Ms. We got those. We got this big thing. We got small. We got burned marshmallows. We also got a claw machine. We also got a claw machine. This sells weird things. I want all these toys. Some of the things down here. Bye, guys. Look at this big lollipop.